away from me, but still I dream of you and say your name in my sleep. Tell me, isn't that crazy? Just wanna call you up and tell you how I feel. I see you wherever I go, and you don't even know. You are the stranger in the corner on the second floor. You're the girl next door, the girl next door. The stranger in the corner on the second floor. You're the girl next door.
Welcome back to Eastly Yangon channel. This is Lily. I will be your host today. Now I'm at Bangkok, and in this street is Phetchaburi Soi 22. I saw this street as a lot of food stand here, so let's go and check it out.
I'm all alone in my hotel room. I'm getting drunk on booze from the mini bar. I wonder what you're up to. I shouldn't call you up, I know your number by heart. I see you wherever I go, and you don't even know. You are the stranger in the corner on the second floor. You're the girl next door, the girl next door. The stranger in the corner on the second floor. You're the girl next door. I know you're miles away from me, but still I dream of you and say your name in my sleep. Tell me, isn't that crazy?
Okay, I choose the first one.
How I feel, I see you wherever I go, and you don't even know.
Now I order kujiu with chicken type, and you can add this sweet taste and sour taste and spicy taste and also salty taste. So I will add spicy, only spicy. Yeah. The ingredients are rice noodle and chicken thigh and bean props. Yeah, that's all. And water sponge, water Spanish. Yeah, sorry, water Spanish. That's all. Okay. It is a little bit spicy because I add spicy. Good. I like it. Okay, let's eat the chicken. I wanna eat with my bare hand, like this. Okay, chicken. It's really soft. Salt and sweet. I like it. I like the chicken skin. Chicken skin is really delicious, I think. How do you think? Bean sprouts also fresh. What can I say? Crunchy, yeah. That's really crunchy. Good. price of this video is around 45 baht, so it's around $1. I think it's a really cheap price, and this shop is the cheapest place I have ever seen in Bangkok. I have ever eaten in Bangkok. Yeah, the taste also really delicious. I saw a coffee shop, and this is a pad thai shop, and also a fried, like, what is it? Fried tofu and fried onion. Yeah. And this shop is fried fish. And this one also juice and coffee shop. This shop says Myanmar curry. And this one also fried fish. This is what is it? What is it? Okay, I saw an interesting ball in this shop, so I bought it. And I don't know what is this, so let's try. Look at this. It's a little bit hot. The smell is like butter. So good. The taste also sweet and better taste. Yeah. The outer part is crunchy, and the inner is cream, like flour and butter, flour and butter mixing taste. And it's a little bit biggy and yeah. Creamy taste, more creamy taste, yeah. The price for the whole bag is only 20 baht, so it's around 50 cents only. So I think it's really reasonable price, and you can get many for. Yeah. This shop is a chicken shop, maybe chicken salad or chicken curry. Fruit shop. Okay, let me stop my video here, and I hope you will like my food tour video. If you want to know more about this Phetchaburi area, you can check in this video from our sister channel, Eastly Bangkok, and I will be there. So bye bye, see you in next video.